Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu. On your phone, the only official way to experience classic Asu on mobile is through Asu Laser. For Android devices, you can easily download the installer directly from the official Asu website. If you are an iOS user, the process is a bit more involved, often requiring third-party tools like AltStore or joining a test flight program. Once installed, you are ready to begin your rhythm journey. After installing the application, open it and either log in with your current Asu account or create a brand new one. Take some time to explore the settings menu. Here, you can fine-tune touch controls, audio synchronization, and visual elements to match your playstyle. Many players find that using a stylus can significantly improve precision, especially on smaller phone screens, giving you an edge in challenging beat maps. With your account set up, it's time to get some music. Asu Laser allows you to browse and download thousands of beat maps directly within the application. You can search for your favorite artists, specific song titles, or filter by difficulty to find maps that suit your skill level. Once downloaded, these beat maps are stored on your device, ready for you to play even without an internet connection. Now for the fun part, playing. The core gameplay involves tapping circles, sliding along paths, and spinning spinners in time with the music. Consistent practice is key to improving your accuracy, speed, and overall score. Don't hesitate to experiment with various game modifications, or mods, which can either increase the challenge for higher scores or provide assistance to help you learn new songs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.